Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Foneseti. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve start button problem, step by step. As you see, my start button is working, but I'm going to show you how to solve your start button if it's not working. Right click, choose open file location, scroll to box data, delete handle in, okay, delete using right click, delete here, okay, yes, open data here, data. If there is a word handle, delete it. For me, I have deleted. Go back again. Check everywhere if there is another word. Say handle in. Okay, deleted. So let's go to next step. You have to check if here there is another word. Delete it. Then close. Open recycle bin. Here. Open. Delete or handle in. Here. So open register here. Type here to search. Right, register here, register. So here you have to search registry editor, and then you have to open it. Open registry editor. Open. You will have to wait a little bit. Wait. Then you have to choose number 2. Hiki current user number 2. Then scroll down to software. Choose software. Then scroll down and search the word handle. Then delete all. Delete them. Right click. Then expand. Delete here. Yes. Then close application and go back to open our Miracle Sander. So you have to follow this all steps. If not that, your button will not work. As you see, this is a new solution in 2025. Make sure you follow all steps. Then, as you see, start button is working well. So remember to subscribe to my channel. Tell us in the comments. And if you need to join our group, we have English group and Kinyarwanda group you can join. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye.